Oh, missed it.
Wait. He's 11! All right, guys, we are very excited today because we're gonna play an epic round of Fingerboard versus the Braille team.
Let's get it.
Here's the rules. We're playing a skateboard. Troy's the judge of the tricks. Rochambeau, winner goes first. Yes! Yeah! Let's go! Yeah. All right, guys, just so you know, all of these fingerboards and the whole sets included are available in stores at Target. They're also available at Target.com, Walmart.com, Amazon.com, and across the ocean in the United Kingdom at Smith's. Collect them all and get them before they sell out. You got this box right here, which has all the wild, wacky ones. You got the glass skateboard, the chainsaw skateboard, all of the cool collectible ones. This is a mystery 2-pack. You see one, you don't see the other. This wheel has some of the collectible versions, some of the bigger boards. Like, I don't want to give it all away, but there is a door skateboard in there. If you've seen that episode, leave it in the comments below. Then these mystery blind bags. And then what we're gonna be fingerboarding on today, the Braille skate park setup. You got 5-stair, rail, hubba, bank, rail, quarter pipe, etc. So let's see who's going to win Fingerboard versus the Braille team. JD, any trick you want.
Let's go, big dog.
Okay, into the fingerboards.
Oh, you can't. Does that count?
Who's the judge? Troy's the judge.
That slid like 95% of the way. I don't think that's good.
How would I possibly
Write it down.
I agree.
Oh no,
Someone write
that was
the
like a
letters.
power slide. I'm sorry, Uzi.
All right, on the Braille team, who's up next? Glow! Let's blow this up, baby! What kind of world do these people live in? People body burial. He floated that body barrel like dreams are made of. I guess he can jump high. His fingers are kind of, well, okay. All right, next up on the Braille team, we got the man with the most delicious hair you've ever seen, Chris McNugget.
I was like, what?
He was looking at him like, wait, my hair's better than Ricky's hair.
That's not true.
Like I said, you always believe in your team. Dream team!
Oh my god.
Next up on the Braille team, we have the man from Bakersfield, Mowgli Menua.
Let's go, big dog.
Really grind down the rail. All right. I'm gonna do switchback 180 on the 5-stair.
He doesn't skate all day. He stands up for 1 second and says, I'll switch back 180 to the 5-stair. Who's on offense?
5-0 up the rail. Oh my god. Whatever, I missed it, I guess.
Wait,
Say 5-0 up the rail.
take your time.
5-0 up the rail.
Wait. Hold on. Stop. Call it and then do the trick.
All right, I'm gonna 5-0 up the rail.
Wait, 5-0 up the rail? Up the rail.
I guess this one could work.
I mean, whatever. We can do that one. We're not scared. Okay. Let's see. Ricky Glasser.
All right.
We should get 2 tries.
All right, switch 50-50, the hubba.
Yes!
No! Let's try to switch 50.
Uzi's taking no prisoners.
Kickflip the 5.
All right, Bakersfield, kickflip the 5, brother. Okay, we're still in this one. We're still alive.
I got a trick that I've seen you do.
Me?
Yes.
Oh, trying to call
All
me
right.
out like that?
All right, 5-0 kickflip. Oh, I missed it. I missed it. Wasn't it?
You did 5 shove though.
Should I 5-0 kickflip and shove it in his face? No, just kidding. The man has never missed a nollie hill in his whole life.
5-0 kickflip. Oh, redo?
All right, Mr. Geiger.
Redo?
Redo? I don't think there's a redo in fingerboarding.
Oh, missed it. I did a second try though.
No, it's kind of easy, pivot fakie, but...
No, you got that.
Do it.
All right, Uzi.
I mean, I don't want to be picky, but he did grab onto the edge.
You can grab onto the edge.
This is what it looks like.
No.
Roll it fakie. Smith, axle, front feeble to this pivot to tail, and then backside revert.
Even if you
Okay.
just go Smith 50, tail.
Tail?
No. Front feeble,
Front feeble,
then back up to 5-0, then tail.
front pivot, tail,
And then
back.
Yeah.
Okay. I will give it to him because the judge isn't here. Whatever trick you want, light him up. Next up, on the Braille Skateboards team, Christopher Walken.
all right, nollie back tail. Is that good? Nollie back tail to heaven.
Sure.
Yeah.
I mean, I've never seen you land it, but you want to try it? Yeah. You ready?
Yes.
Go. Nollie
Okay.
back tail.
I'll let it be known it's impossible.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna do front shove board side to fakie.
Ooh. Boom!
That's like another
Okay, you ready, Uzi? Wait, breathe. Wait, now it's your turn to go.
All right.
Oh, duck slide. By the end of this video, we're gonna show you guys some actual professional fingerboarders with our brand new fingerboard team. All right, you want me to set something?
Yes, sir.
All right, it's 5:10. You know what time that is? San Cairo time, baby. Truth be told, I've literally never even tried this.
Varial heel the stairs. It could be the 3 or the 5.
Oh, boy! Who's got varial heel the stairs?
I haven't done it in a while.
Let's take a team vote. Who votes Mowgli should do it?
The dog was in the way. He gets another try. No, I didn't even notice the dog. Okay. It's all good. Very honorable.
I know what you're thinking. I just don't know why you don't want to say it. Did he do it?
All right. Kickflip front board.
Dude. Kicky front board, mate. Up next to the fingerboard kingdom with Captain Uzi of the USS Enterprise.
Blunt slide a hubba. Oh my god.
You want to get him, Glowfather?
I'll try him.
Got it. That's close.
Troy had to go, so we got a new celebrity guest, Judge, my wife, who knows nothing about fingerboards, Danny Cairo, everybody! Woo!
Oh, I'm judging this.
So here's how it works. He does a trick, and then we do a trick, and you gotta say, if it counts, you thumbs up. If it doesn't count, you thumbs down.
Okay, so it's like game of skate, fingerboard versus real board?
Yeah.
Okay.
You must watch our videos.
Okay.
Switch ollie to 5.
Did that count? Cool. What about that dog in the way? Who's got to switch ollies?
Chris on flat?
Chris?
Down to 5.
Babe, did that count? That didn't count?
Okay. Front board shove.
That was a good call.
Danny, he's 11 years old. He's 11. All right, go ahead. Apparently, is not on our side. Wants you to rebate it.
Okay, I'm running it back. Front board big spin.
Oh, Judge? Call it. Oh my God! What is this? He clearly went fully into front feeble before front board. What are you thinking? You got no eyes?
Okay, switch tray. Oh.
That's the glove father, right?
All right, backsmith.
That was over the back.
Ref?
I have
Yeah.
no idea.
Just call it. Whatever you say goes.
Was that the same?
Was it the same trick?
Was it? Okay,
Yeah, it was good.
Chris said yes.
Wait, hold on. He called Nolly Gazelle. Was that a Nolly Gazelle?
I think that's fair.
Was that the same trick, babe?
Was that the same?
Was that a good job? Yeah. That was good. Okay.
Frontside flip, 5. Oh my God, missed it.
Okay, Braille team. Let's take him out.
Ollie back heel.
Ref? What in the world was that? Letter.
Mowgli requested. Tray flip to 5.
All right.
Oh, frontside flip. Yeah, my hands are frozen. Alright. Oh my God. You did it? Nope. Was that the attempt?
Alright,
End him. End him.
heel flip something.
Alright, Aaron, it's gotta be you. Any heel flip variation.
You can heel flip now.
What do you think, Aaron? Can you do it on the flat? I did it! My hands are frozen.
We're gonna count it because we ate salad. All right, who's up?
Does like tricks on the hip equate to flat on here?
Whatever you want. However he wants.
Half cab heel on flat. Okay.
Half cab heel on flat.
Yeah.
So we're gonna play, so just let me get this straight. We're gonna do the most epic game of fingerboard versus skateboard, and you're gonna end it on a half cab heel on flat. That's what kind of message you wanna send to the kids.
That's the strategy.
That's what you wanna send to the kids.
It's the strategy.
What do you want to see, Bucks? Hey, Bucks, what do you want?
Hey, let me just try. Switch front big to board slide? Yeah, that's a trick. That's an ender. You win some, you lose some.
Switch 50 up the hover.
This is why I wouldn't land in the half cab heel. You wouldn't have been able to do it in 2 shots. That's the game. But now, what am I gonna do? Switch 50 off the hover?
Give us that letter.
Arr!
Alright, blunt, shove it on this.
You know what the pirates say? Arr!
Oh my God. Aaron threw me off with him.
Okay, okay. Ricky.
Yeah. You got this. That's this way? Yeah. Does that count?
Yeah. Right?
Yeah, I think so.
Back 180, 50-50, 180. Wait, where are you going here?
I'm trying to, I got a back 180 like this. And
Yes,
then I
sir.
gotta-
Yeah, I do. I think we got him, boys.
No.
I can't.
Right, because you're not on the 50. He missed it! All right, guys, remember all of these sets with all of the wild, weird boards that you can collect are available in store at Target. They're also on Target.com, Walmart.com, Amazon.com, and in the United Kingdom at Smith's. Definitely check them out, get them before they're all gone. These ramp sets are super rad, they're super fun, and you can have a blast with them, just like we did here today. Check out all those videos right there, subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard, have a blast, learn how to ride a fingerboard. You guys are rad.